Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Charisa, and for today's video I am really excited because this guy right here did arrive on my front door. So as you all know, it is the Sephora BIB sale for the spring event, and I got my package. That's my address. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox this one. Don't get a little bit too excited because I did not bought a lot of makeup. For this VIB, I've kind of focused on the stuff that I always use. Like, we're gonna find out. Not unlike my other VIB sale. Last year, I did bought a lot of makeup. But this one, this is like mostly hair care, skin care, that I have been using. And since it's, you know, it's on sale, I have the sad to say and embarrassing to say, I have the Rouge member, which gets me the 20% discount. So this is the time that you might want to take advantage of the sale on the stuff that you use a lot. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. First off, on the top, I have been using the Olaplex number 4 as my shampoo. This one retails for $28 if I'm not mistaken. So since we did damage our hair, we did bleach our hair, we need a good shampoo that will repair the bonds of the damage that we caused to our hair. So this one is the shampoo that I have been using. And Olaplex also did release this one right here. This is the Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So I will keep you guys posted. This is just recently released by Olaplex. I haven't tried this one. It's my first time getting it. So I will make a video regarding the experience and how I feel, first impression about this product right here. So watch out for that, guys. And also, I have been using also Olaplex. Most of this stuff I got is Olaplex. Yes, I have been loving this one. So this is the Bond Smoother. You do put it on your damp hair after you shower, before you blow dry, before you do anything crazy and damaging to your hair. This is what you put. And of course, we're not gonna forget the Olaplex number 3. This is the repairs, Olaplex number 3, Hair Perfector, repairs and straightens all hair type. I use this guy like twice a week. So a bottle I can do like 5 times in one bottle. So I figure might as well get 2 of these. So here you go. I love those stuff. And of course, we have the shampoo. We gotta have the conditioner. So this is the Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner, because I kind of like with the shampoo, you only need a pea size amount of that shampoo, and I always run out first with the conditioner. So I figure I'll get 1 shampoo and then I'm gonna get 2 of the conditioner. So, and for the skincare that I have been loving right now, we did got the Murad Acne Clarifying Cleanser. I have been using this one for roughly like 2 months now, and yes, I do still have breakouts, but usually now that I have been using it, I will only break out like a week before my period, you know. So I have been loving this one as well as my cleanser. And we also have the clarifying toner. I always go in with the toner just to remove some of the makeup residue still that did not get, you know, that when I wash my face, somehow there's going to be a little left over, and then I go in with a toner. And then I also have the Acne Clarifying Treatment. I use this one after the toner. Not a bunch of makeup, but a lot of hair care and skincare. So I also go in with the Acne Control Skin Perfecting Lotion by Murad. Again, because just want to minimize all of the blemishes that we do have going on. Like I only have 3 products for makeup. I don't know, maybe I will place another order since it's still on the 19th, just in case I change my mind. That you know what I mean. This girl has a little addiction with makeup, but I'm just trying to be really picky, because I have been looking, you know, on the Sephora releases, like which one do I have, which palette that I wanted to try, and most of them doesn't caught my attention. It's like I don't really buy products just because it first released, oh, this is the hype of right now. I don't do that. I buy makeup which I know that I will actually use. This one, I wanted to try the Cosmetics CC Creme. I have been, what do you call this, hearing good things about it, about this one, so I want to give it a go. I want to, like, you know, transition from being a full coverage girl with the matte full coverage foundation to this one. Maybe I would like it, maybe not, who knows. Might as well give it a go. I also got the Benefit Precisely My Brow. This one right here is I have been using. I recently got the shade. I know I got a lighter shade. Where does the shade show? 2.5. This is the neutral brown. Since we did dye our hair, you know, we went a little bit lighter compared to the usual. So might as well, I figure, try a little lighter for my eyebrows right now. And of course, we also got the Anastasia of Beverly Hills, the clear brow gel. I wanted this one, so I wanted to test this out. I wanted to try the dip because I have been using the Milk brow pomade recently and I like it, and I want to try a different one. So here you go, guys. This is the product that I got from the BIB sale, spring of 2020, the first BIB sale for Sephora. I don't know, I will let you guys know in the description down below or make another video if I decided to, you know, make another order for some stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and also leave me a comment down below. What stuff do you recommend for the BIB sale? What stuff did you get? What is like really nice things right now on makeup, skincare, hair care, and all that shebang. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you can get notified on all of my future uploads. Thank you guys for watching.